So Python operators, as we have dealt with in the when we did variables, we dealt with as arithmetic operators. The next thing is the assignment operator. We're also going to work on comparison operator, logic operator, identity operator, then membership operator. All these operators help us to perform Python expression or mathematical calculations and to use them in some of our function building. So next one we're going to work with is assignment operator. So I will have age already created for us. We can say we set age set age equals to 30. That's what we call this one is equality operator. We should have some other ones, and how we can say age plus or equals to you can also have plus or equals to, let's say 10. You can also have something like this. You can have age or minus or equals to. You can also have age to be multiplied by 10, or we can have age can also be divided by 10, or we can also have age modulus 10, modulus remainder. So we can divide through by 10 and the remainder. We can also have something like this, and so on and so forth. So we can have assignment operator like all this one, and we can have a lot of them like this. We can have all this assignment operator, which is very useful in Python. Very useful. So we're going to be working with some of them. So please take notes that they are actually very useful to take them one by